Hello students, welcome to Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on kinematical equations part 3. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. A car initially at rest starts moving with an acceleration of 4 meters per second square. The time in which it picks up a velocity of 72 meters per second is. Here we have to calculate the time taken. Now let us go to the solution. Given a car initially at rest, nothing but u is equals to 0. And an acceleration of 4 meters per second square. So A is equals to 4 meters per second square, and velocity they given us V is equals to 72 meters per second. Here we have to calculate time taken. From the first equation of motion, V is equals to U plus AT. From this equation, T is equals to V minus U by A. Now substituting V nothing but 72 U 0 A 4. 72 minus 0 72 by 4. 4 ones 4 18s. So 18 seconds. So therefore time taken T is equals to 18 seconds. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Given V is equals to 0.6 minus 0.3 t, then the initial velocity and acceleration are. Here we have to calculate initial velocity and acceleration. Now let us go to the solution. Initial velocity nothing but u, acceleration nothing but a. So the given equation is V is equals to 0.6 minus 0.3 into t. So when we are comparing this given equation with V is equals to U plus AT. So after comparing, U is equals to 0.6 meters per second and acceleration A is equals to minus 0.3 meters per second square. So this is initial velocity and this is acceleration. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. This question, if a scooter acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after its start, then the acceleration of the scooter is. Here we have to calculate the acceleration. Let us go to the solution. Given V is equals to 36 km per hour. Converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, 36 into 5 by 18. 18 ones, 18 twos, 5 twos, 10 meters per second. So next V is equals to, we are getting 10 meters per second and T is equals to 10 seconds. Here they given that just after its start, so then its initial velocity is equals to 0. So A is equals to V minus U by T. V nothing but 10, U 0, T 10 seconds. 10 minus 0, 10. 10 by 10. 10 10 gets cancels 1. So therefore A is equals to, acceleration of the scooter is 1 meters per second square. Okay. Next we will go to the next. In this question, given that S is equals to 5t plus 8t square, then the initial velocity and acceleration are. Here we have to calculate initial velocity and acceleration. Let us go to the solution. Given that S is equals to 5t plus 8t square, comparing this equation with S is equals to ut plus half at square. So u is equals to 5 meters per second and a by 2 is equals to 8. So a is equals to, taking cross multiplication, 8 to the 16. 16 meters per second square. So then the initial velocity u is equals to 5 meters per second and acceleration a is equals to 16 meters per second square. Okay, next we will go to the next. A racing car has uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start? Now let us go to the solution. Here we have to calculate the distance. Given a is equals to a nothing but acceleration. A is equals to 4 meters per second square and t is equals to 10 seconds. Here after this start, then its initial velocity is equal to 0. U is equals to 0. From the second equation of motion, S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Ut plus half a t square. Now substituting 0 into 10 plus half a nothing but 4 t nothing but 10 whole square. 2 ones 2 twos. 10 into 0 0 plus 2 into 10 square 100. 100 into 2 200. So distance covered S is equals to 200 meters. Okay, next we will go to the next. A particle starts with the velocity of 5 meters per second and moves with a uniform acceleration of 2.5 meters per second square. Its velocity after 4 seconds is. Here we have to calculate the velocity after 4 seconds. Now let us go to the solution. Given initial velocity u is equals to 5 meters per second and acceleration they given as 2.5 meters per second square and t they given as 4 seconds. We have to calculate final velocity. From the first equation of motion, v is equals to u plus at, u nothing but 5 and a 2.5, t 4 seconds. So 5 plus 2.5 into 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So therefore the final velocity v is equals to 15 meters per second. Okay, next we will go to the next. A particle initially at rest starts moving with a uniform acceleration a. The ratio of the distance covered by it in first second and the first 3 seconds is. Here we have to calculate the ratio of the distance covered it in first second and first 3 seconds. Let us go to the solution. A particle initially at rest starts moving with a uniform acceleration a. So its initial velocity u is equals to 0 and a is equals to the given as a. So now we are calculating the distance traveled in first second. T is equals to 1. So S1 is equals to ut1 plus half a t1 square. Here we are taking at t is equals to 1 second. So S1 is equals to u into, here u they given as 0. So 0 into 1 plus half a into 1 square. So S1 is equals to a by 2. Next we are calculating distance covered by it in first 3 seconds. So at t is equals to 3 seconds. So distance covered S3 is equals to u t3 plus half a t3 square. U nothing but 0, t3 3 plus half into a and 3 whole square. 3 into 0 0 plus 3 square 9, 9a by 2. So now we are calculating ratio of S1 is to S3, that is a by 2 is to 9a by 2. A by 2 gets cancels, that is 1 is to 9. So therefore S1 is to S3 is equals to 1:9. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. A person is traveling at 43.2 km per hour, applies the brake giving a deceleration of 6.0 meters per second square to his scooter. How far will it travel before stopping? Here we have to calculate distance traveled. Now let us go to the solution. Given u is equals to 43.2 kilometer per hour, converting into meters per second, multiplying with the 5 by 18. So here 18 ones 18, 2.4 is 2.4 into 5, so that is equals to 12.0. So u we are getting 12 meters per second, and a is equals to, here they given as deceleration. Deceleration nothing but negative acceleration, so acceleration should be taken as negative sign. So a is equals to minus 6.0 meters per second square. Now applying the third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So from this s is equals to v square minus u square by 2a. V nothing but 0. Here v they given as 0. V is equals to 0 minus u square nothing but 12 square by 2 into a minus 6.0. So 0 square 0 minus 12 square 144 minus 12.0. So that is minus 144 by minus 12. Minus minus gets cancels, 12 ones 12 12s. So s is equals to, distance covered s is equals to 12 meters. So therefore s is equals to 12 meters. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A body is moving with uniform velocity of 8 meters per second when the body just crossed another body. The second one starts and moves with uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. Then the time after which they meet is, here we have to calculate the time. Now let us go to the solution. Let those two bodies will meet after a displacement s and time t seconds. So then s is equals to 8t plus 0. So consider this as equation number 1. So first those two bodies will meet after a displacement s and time t seconds. So next second equation of motion, s is equals to ut plus half a t square. Now substituting u nothing but 0 here plus ut 0 into t 0 plus half a they given as 4 into t square, half 2 ones 2 2's, so 2t square. This is equals to, here this consider as equation number 2. S is equals to 2t square. Now from the equations 1 and 2, 8t is equals to 2t square. This is from equations 1 and 2. Okay. Now from this 8t is equals to 2t square. T gets cancels. So t is equals to 8 by 2. 2 ones 2 fours. So t is equals to 4 seconds. Time after which they meet 4 seconds. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A body starts from rest and has an acceleration 20 centimeter per second square. What is the distance covered by the body in the first 8 seconds? Here we have to calculate the distance covered by the body in first 8 seconds. Let us go to the solution. Here a body starts from rest, nothing but its initial velocity is equal to 0. Initial velocity letter u. Acceleration a is equals to 20 centimeter per second square. Here we have to calculate distance covered in first 8 seconds. So t is equals to 8 seconds. So from the second equation of motion, s is equals to ut plus half a t square. Substituting values, u is equal to 0, 8 plus half a nothing but 20 t 8 square. 2 ones 2 tens. 0 into 8, 0 plus 10 into 8 square 64. So 0 into 0 plus 10 into 64, 640 plus 0. So 640 centimeter. So therefore distance covered by the body in first 8 seconds, that is S is equals to 640 centimeter. Thanks for watching this video.